Hey everybody. Remember I did an unboxing of this thing. This is the HP T-Mobile PDA phone H6315. I did an unboxing of this. So now, guess what? I bought batteries for it. Now this is a battery, and this is the battery that it looks like. And it's an HP because I wasn't buying no cheap Korean, Japanese battery. So I bought the HP one for $10. Can you believe it? Now, believe it or not, HP was still selling these, I think a couple of months ago, but then they stopped. And I was like, what the hell? They still selling these batteries for this thing? Believe this thing is still good. Ever so you can't make phone calls with it. This is still a good PDA. You still can do some stuff. Cut it on for y'all. See the Windows 2003 and stuff. Yes, I am using this PDA. Let me get up. In 2019. Believe it or not, it works. It works good. It has a crappy camera on it, but I don't use it. And let's see here. See the battery? Look at that. It charges and stuff. I was surprised. Spent $10 for 2 batteries and it works. Now, here's the thing about this. Let me go to start. Now, you see this? Windows Explorer does not work good on here. Only certain things you can do on this Windows Explorer that just a lot of websites won't come up because it's an old phone. This is like 2003, 2000. No, it's really 2004. I remember when it came out. And so what I did is get out of this, and you know what web browser I had to put? Let me see, did I get it? There we go. Opera Mini and stuff. So I got that. Now the only thing that works good on here is now Twitter works on here. Let me show you. Then you gotta push enter. See, now Twitter works, and you can tweet from this phone and stuff like that. See? Now you can't watch YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all what the YouTube looks like on here. See, here's YouTube. Let me show y'all what YouTube does. See, when you click on YouTube, click on the video, it does this. So it's like it won't do nothing and stuff. You can download certain videos on here, but it has to be like 3GP, not MP4, because MP4 does not work here. MP4 didn't come out till real late and stuff. So there's a lot of stuff you can't do on here. Let's get out of this. I'm gonna show you some other stuff. All this work, you can make notes. Where's the note thing? No notes. Go to notes. You can make notes. Look, let me show you. Where is it? So you can draw. Now, what phone does this in this day and age? The Note from Samsung with their stylus. That's why I said that this phone, this PDA, is the mother of what the Note is today. Is the PDA. Just a bigger, better phone PDA is the Note. So let's get out of this. and erase it. Let's see, where is it? Nope, that's not it. What I like, I do use this, like, because it's like, I like old technology and stuff. Got that. Now, this does not work. This doesn't work. That doesn't work. And Yahoo doesn't, I mean, AOL doesn't work. The AOL doesn't work. And stuff. What else is it on here? Some of the games work. Is the games on here? I think it should be. Yeah, there we go. See, your games work, but I don't play those and stuff. What I use is the public heck, yeah, but now this is run on Wi-Fi. Oops. See, this is only run on Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth works on here. So you could, like, if you have Wi-Fi or anything, you could print stuff from off this phone. The cell service doesn't work because I talked to T-Mobile. They say this phone is from the GSM GPRS day. So this phone does not work in this day and age and stuff. What else? The alarm works on it. Let me see. Where's the alarm? Settings. Oops, I went the wrong way again. Settings. And then go here. Oh, no, wait, because that's the clock. Oh, let me show y'all something, though. Now, this is the time of today, right now. But then you can set another time from another place you go to, like Europe and stuff. So you got U.S. time, and then you have another time in another country on this one. So that's, but nowadays you could just say, Siri, what time is it in this? And I did that one. Did that one again. What am I doing? I'm trying to see where's the alarm. Because I just played with the alarm today. Well, there we go. I'm tripping. The alarm works to wake you up. Because I tried it today. The alarm works on it. Is this... this is a fun thing to mess with and stuff. There's what does it come with? The keyboard, hard keyboard, but I'm still trying to figure that out because it didn't work today. So I gotta figure that out. Let's see what else. You got your settings like old Windows and stuff. And here you can change what your front page looks like. See, watch. If I do this, this again, see, it's a T-Mobile. But I like the Windows one. Now the green light is the Wi-Fi. That light is no cell service. So that's what you see. What else? You got your calendar. I made the calendar. So their calendar system works on here. Because this goes to 2020. There's some things that don't go up to 2000. You'll see it. You've seen it in my video. The two-way Motorola pager, that doesn't go into 2019 or nothing. That stops at 2005. So, yeah, that Motorola two-way pager that's on here on my page, it doesn't go to 2019 or nothing like that and stuff. Let's see, what else can we look at? I think that's really it. There's not much on here, you know. Like I said, you got the Windows. They can't play back nothing. So yeah, this is just something I mess with in 2019. It's a fun thing to use. I wish they could redo it, remake this phone into right now, like for Windows and phones of today, instead of like you have Android, Windows. Well, you did have Windows Phone, but they stopped making that. So I wish you could use this phone now, because it's kind of fun to mess with the old technology back then and stuff. But yeah, this is still usable for certain things and stuff. Like I say, you can print stuff out on a printer that has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So yeah, and that's about it. Yes, I did buy, like I said, I did buy batteries for it. Got it for $10. And they work. And they charge. So, that's it.